Hi, this is Martha, and today we are going to be talking about money and how you can have your own income streams. So stay tuned. All right. Are you ready to make money online? Well, today I'm going to talk about 6 different ways that you can have income streams coming in. But I'm also going to give you a little disclaimer up front. It's not always possible for everyone. And I know that we see all of these great internet, YouTube gurus out there talking about, oh, you can make money with this and you can make money with that, and I make $4,000 a month, and I make $1,000 a month, and I make $2,000 a month. But what they fail to tell you is how long they've been working at it and how long it's taken them. So today I'm going to talk about 6 ways that I have made money online. And I'm going to be a little honest about it, because it's not one of those things where you go, hey, look, I can quit my day job. Because honestly, I've been at this since 2012 and I still keep my day job. But I'm going to talk about some of the different ways that I earn extra income each month. And these are proven ways that I have made income each month. And the first one that I'm going to start with is going to be blogging, and it's going to lead into my second one. So I have been a blogger since way back in, I know, 2006, maybe 2007. I've been blogging for a very long time, and it wasn't until 2012 when I really started to put my blogging with the possibility of making an income with that. So in 2012, I really started to look into some of the avenues that I could use my blog to make money. And one of those is through AdSense. And AdSense works hand in hand with YouTube. And so if you have a blog, you can turn around and you can apply to Google AdSense, and you can run advertisement on your blog, especially once you have a large number of subscribers and you have multiple visits and hits each day. Google AdSense is a way for you to earn money with your blog and that traffic that's already coming in. Now, it's not a whole lot of money, and so those same rules that you hear all over the internet, the YouTube, that people who are on YouTube that are talking about, that they're earning through that Google AdSense with their YouTubes, is the same kind of concept that applies. You can't get a payout until you reach $100. And once you reach that threshold, then you would be able to actually get that money. But while I'm still on AdSense, the same thing applies with YouTube. Using YouTube, once you've reached that 10,000 views and you apply, then you can also add your AdSense account onto your YouTube. And so now you have money coming in from your blog and money coming in from your YouTube account. And so that is sort of how I got started. Of course, right now I'm kind of in that limbo period, because although I did add my YouTube account more than a year and a half ago, they've since changed the views, and I really hadn't been utilizing my YouTube as much as I want to. And so now that I'm doing that, I'm hoping to reach that 10,000 view mark very soon. A third way that you can earn money online is through books. Are you an expert on something? Or maybe you have a great story to tell. For me, I love to write, and I am an author. And my students, because I'm also a teacher, my students think that it's absolutely fascinating that I have written more than 14 books. Yes, 14 books. So if you have a great story to tell, writing books was a way that not only helped me earn some income when I was between jobs, it's also a way that I have been able to continue and make a passive income on all of those books that was written during the time period that I was out of work. And so I did an extreme amount of writing. But if you have a great story to tell, or if you're an expert on something, create an ebook. You can always use the CreateSpace to create a paperback book and upload that to Kindle through Amazon. You can add your ebook on there and sell through Amazon, and Amazon has this huge base of people who are always out there looking for books. And on top of that, not only do I stop with CreateSpace and Amazon Kindle, but I also sell through Nook, which is the Barnes and Noble. Smashwords is another one, Kobo. All of those different things provide me with multiple income streams just from my books. Another way that I earn an income online is through eBay and Amazon. I sell things on Amazon like books because they have that, and I mean physical books, things that I normally would just donate or get rid of. I've been selling my books on Amazon and using the Amazon Sellers app and selling those. And then on eBay, I actually have a reseller account where I am selling things that started with just those things around my home. And since then, I have been in the habit of always looking out for things that I could possibly sell through my eBay store. And so I earn an income on that. As a matter of fact, that has been just a huge, actually, that's been a huge way that I have been able to kind of have extra money each month is through that eBay store. Two other ways that I actually make money online. These sort of go hand in hand, but I started as a demonstrator for Stampin' Up! Because one, I love to craft. And so as a demonstrator, I sell the products for anywhere from 20 to 25% discount. And so I automatically make that 20 to 25% when I make a sale. Well, it's great, and I can make even more money by having people who are demonstrators below me and working that type of angle of building a team. But I also have the opportunity to use my discount and get my supplies a lot cheaper. And that brings me to my last way that I have that I bring income in each month, and that is through my Etsy shop. And so things that I make in my demonstrating, because I do have my YouTube channel as a way for me to demonstrate crafting ideas and demonstrate those products from Stampin' Up! So the cards that I make in my demonstrations and in my virtual classes, I use those and sell them on my Etsy shop. So I'm not losing anything. I'm making money through that. And I have actually increased my business. I put my website on everything that I sell, so that no matter if Jane Doe purchased a card and then or a card set, and let's say she purchased a card set of Christmas cards and she mailed off the cards that she purchased, say she bought 10, she sent all of those to 10 different friends. Those are 10 different people who now have my website on the back of a card, so that they know, hey, I can go there and get cards. So those are just some of the ways that I earn income online, and I really hope that you found this helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If there's anything else that you would like to know or would like to learn, just let me know, and I'll be glad to create a video for you. But I appreciate you taking the time today. I appreciate you. Let me get that out. Oh my goodness, I'm tongue-tied today. But thank you so much for watching my video, and if by chance you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. I'm always producing different types of videos, so that whether you are a teacher looking for material, whether you are a crafter looking for ideas, if you are someone who you're looking for a different way to use technology, I do tech tips every Tuesday, and so there's something for everyone on my channel. So bye, have a great day.